Hey guys, Dougie Douglas here, back with another tool review. I see y'all liked the other review I did, so doing another tool review from KIMO. This one is, as you can see, it's a 12 volt max cordless adjustable clutch drill. If you haven't seen my other reviews on the KIMO products, I recommend you highly go check them out. So, as you can see, today is going to be the review on the drill, and let's get started. So to start off straight up, what you get is, it comes with, well, mine came with the drill and the manual. Kind of got it in the mail like that. So we're going to start off, as you know, the manual is just the manual, it's a starter manual, so it tells you what you can and can't do with it, how to use it, the safety precautions you should take with it, things like that. So that's just an overview of the manual. Now to start off with the drill. So the drill, honestly, got mixed feelings about the drill so far. So I'm gonna talk about the pros and the cons. So as you know, dual clutch. So you got the two, and you can put it in one. You can alternate between the two. They got all the different speed sizes, as you can see. They got the lock, so you put the bits in the front and you lock it. Doing that is pretty easy, I would say. It's not hard. It doesn't fight you a lot, but that's also a pro and a con for it, in my opinion, because it kind of got a more of a cheesy feel for a drill, but it definitely does get the job done still. It comes with a light in the front, so when you're using it, it does light up. Light isn't the greatest, but some light is better than no light. So when you're drilling in a dark crevice or something, it will light up the area so you can see the drill itself. As you know, one thing I like about KIMO is all their batteries, if it takes the same voltage, it's interchangeable. So this 12 volt battery is actually interchangeable with most of their other tools that also take a 12 volt. So that's honestly really good, so you don't have to worry about having a specific battery for this. The grip, honestly, it gives you that, like, not high quality feel, but something's better than nothing at this point, and it actually got a good grip. The trigger's in a nice position with it too, so your hands won't cramp up using it. Just to get an overview of what it can do, as you know, 12 volts. It goes between 350, 0 to 350, and that's clutch 1, and then clutch 2 is 0 to 1350 a minute. It's called a professional tool. I say it's a good starter drill, personally, but that's going to my opinion. Then you got the review of the battery. Batteries are cross compatible. Door I have in this drill, I have yet for the battery to come out. It's actually in there snug. And if you know how most KIMO products are, it's held in by these two tabs on the side. That's how it goes in, and it stays snug. Honestly, at first I thought this would kind of be really cheap and fall out pretty often, but it's actually really snug. Even though you squeeze, you don't really feel much movement. It does move actually a lot for you to be able to pull it out the bottom. And that little bit of movement actually keeps it snugged inside. So that's actually really one thing I like about KIMO batteries. And as you know, it's cross compatible, so you can use it with other 12 volt products that it takes. And just how it looks on the inside, it kind of give you that cheesy feel. It got some spacing in there that I don't really like. But at the end of the day, it's a drill. It's not one of them super high quality drills, but it's one of those bang for its buck drills. The reason I do these reviews on KIMO products and other, low-end products is because I want to prove that it can get the job done without having to spend Milwaukee or Snap-on dollars. This drill retails for, with this, the battery, and the charger, you're looking to spend around $100 or less, which honestly is a really good bang for its buck. It comes with a 1-year warranty out the factory, so that's also a plus. Most drills don't do that. So yeah, show you. I'm gonna plug the battery back in and show you like how the speeds look in clutch 1 and 2, and go throughout show you a little bit of the functionality of the movement. So battery's back in there snug, as you can see, no movement, no play, no nothing. Got the side button, got drill forward, it got the middle click where it's locked, and then it got the reverse drill to come back out. As you know, then you got this nozzle right here is for the lock-in. You turn it to the left to lock it, you turn it to the right to unlock it, and that plays with the teeth in the middle, so it can clamp down or whatever you have in there, drill bits, wire brushes, things like that. I actually use the wire brush and drill bits, and that's why I feel like it's a bang for its buck, because it can easily get the job done, just have more of a cheesy feel than traditional drills. Put it in clutch 1 so you can get a feel of how that looks. Put it in forward. It has the different modes. So for drilling and then other adjustable speeds, you can have it. Now I'm putting it in clutch 2 so you can get a feel of how that looks. Forward. Reverse. Back forward again. So yeah, that's basically an overview of the tool. Personally, in my opinion, it's a good bang for its buck. KIMO products are really good for its price point that it's aimed for and everything. If you're looking for something that will last you years and years to come, then this, I don't think it will last personally that long. I'll have to see and find out and get back to you on that. But so far it lasted me. It done me a lot of justice. It was one of those bang for your buck cheaper tools, I would say. It's a starter tool, KIMO products, because you never know. Some people, they spend top dollars on Milwaukee and Snap-on, and they usually don't use the tool for long, so it's kind of not, they don't get as much out of their dollars spent. With KIMO, you will, in my opinion, because you spend less dollars, you get a feel for the tool gets all its jobs done, and then if you don't like it, you don't have to go in debt for it. Also, I don't know if I mentioned it, it also have one thing I like about KIMO products, it has its light bar, so you can see how much it's charged. It's full charge. Yellow is 50 or less, red is dead. So yeah, that's the review on the KIMO drill. Hope you liked it. Comment, like, subscribe to the channel for more car content and tool reviews and everything else to come. Thank you for watching. W. Douglas.